Welcome to one of the most extreme engineering recoveries ever attempted. Today, we're salvaging and restoring TBM Bertha.
Before recovery, engineers must ensure the structure can withstand lifting forces.
Crane control to team, approaching drop zone.
Roger that, hold steady. Watch the clearance on Sector 4.
Every component is rebuilt to withstand extreme underground forces.
From the ocean floor to underground once more, TBM Bertha is ready to bore again.
After decades beneath the waves, the Leviathan awakens. The sheer scale of the operation is unprecedented in human history.